3.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss what?
Discuss about legal analysis maybe?
Yes.
Yes.
This is discuss about a legal analysis of current Indonesian marine protect area development
Only for Indonesian or
for in the world.
for the world?
For all.
So not only for Indonesia.
No.
Yeah.
Because
That's good topic.
yeah, it's about it's about protect area development of marine.
Protect about fisheries.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's not only for Indonesia. It's for all.
Because the case in Indonesia, only for Indonesian, I look in marine Indonesian. This is have to have any problem like legal fisheries, of course, climate change.
Change.
Yes.
Yes.
Bleaching.
Coral bleaching. Coral bleaching.
Yep. Before that, forget it. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Naya Jasmine,
My name is Rizka Maya.
My name is Muhammad Rizky Saputra. My name is Muhammad Abbas Siddiq.
and let's go to the discuss of the topic.
Topic
Yeah.
article.
The article.
Article.
Okay, first, the article mainly examines how Indonesia has developed its marine protect areas, or MPAs, from a legal perspective. It explains international legal foundation.
Legal. International.
International, the national regulations, the achievement Indonesia has made, and also the legal and institutional problems that still exist. Yeah. And next, what I find especially interesting is that the article does not simply praise Indonesian progress, but also points out that legal growth does not automatically mean effective protection. So, what do you think about the marine?
Yes, I agree.
Why?
Because the article starts from the idea that Indonesia is one of the world's largest archipelagic countries, with enormous marine biodiversity and a very long coastline, right?
Yeah.
So, because of that, marine conservation is not just an environmental issue for Indonesia.
Not
Yes.
just for environmental issue in Indonesia.
It's not.
Is it what back to the topic for
What is-
international, not for
Yeah.
Indonesia.
No. It means like the issues is not have in Indonesia only that only this Indonesia,
Indonesia.
but in maybe country
Another
have that
country.
is another country.
So, like, next. Different.
It's okay. But we'll relax.
Yeah, relax.
Discuss about the topic relax.
Yes.
So next.
Yes, yes.
Next up.
But also on economic and social one. Indonesia depends heavily on marine resource for fisheries, livelihoods, and coastal community welfare. However,
What is about?
Yeah.
However, those resources are under pressure from destructive fishing, pollution, and uncoordinated development. So, according to the author,
Why? And why?
marine protected areas are meant to serve as an important legal and policy instrument to respond to those threats.
So because.
So next.
Clear.
Oh.
What about you?
I think that is very important. About discuss is very important.
Yes, this is
Cool.
important, of course.
Of course.
Because the article present MPA not only as ecological zones, but as legal space where conservation regulation, sustainable, and then we use misbalance in other words. And MPA is not simply an area where everything is prohibited. Instead, in areas made through law, zoning, and police, so that marine ecosystem can be protected while still allowing curtain controlling human activities. So this is we need a control about the fisheries, control about the human activities. And then the author also suggests that good legal design is essential because this legal framework and I weigh the inconsistent then even unfair village project area may fail in practice. So we not only about we will read about the article, but we can practice in where we live, where we and activity
and cannot not happen like it's like overfishing, right?
Illegal.
Illegal, yes. So
Exactly.
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 what about you, Rizky?
Exactly.
Why?
Exactly, and it was the central argument of the article. The author,
Yeah.
the author argues that Indonesia has made significant progress in expanding marine protects areas, even surpassing the target of more than 20 million
Target,
hectares.
it's so high. Target is
Yes.
not million, but billion. Billion or
Oh.
million?
Million,
Million.
million,
Billion.
Not million.
million hectares.
Wow.
Hectares.
But despite the 20 million, but is it the success the development of MPA style fixed major legal and administrative obstacle is include overlapping authority between institutions,
Yes. Okay.
descending dualism,
Dualism.
Dualism.
dualism, conflict between zoning rules and spatial planning,
I got it.
Put your button in with me.
Yeah. No, just kidding, just kidding.
Just kidding.
and inconsistent criminal sentence of
Criminal like you?
Yes, I think that in fisheries is not only
Fisheries?
political, that's criminal.
Yes, like him.
criminal.
I don't know.
For everyone
Like overfishing, it's like it's a
environmental
legal.
fishing, the article is really asking a deeper question of can Indonesia
Okay.
answer that is marine protected
Protect attack.
areas are not
Protected,
only
yeah.
in number but also strong in legal effective fence.
Fine. So next you.
Next.
You.
Me?
Next.
Okay. We have so done about the.
Topic about legal fisheries.
Yes. Let's move to the international legal framework.
From the article, this
Legal,
first and
legal.
framework.
Yep. This is framework.
We discuss about first about legal fisheries. So about
International, not
Yeah.
in Indonesia. That.
legal fisheries in international.
Yes.
So the this first topic two is about framework.
Framework.
Framework
International legal.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
The first major framework is UNCLOS 1982.
What is UNCLOS?
82.
What?
What is
What is?
UNCLOS? What is UNCLOS?
Can you tell me what the UNCLOS
It's
is?
Together maybe together. Eh, not.
Yeah. Okay. Next, on the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea.
Ah.
So UNCLOS this is discuss about the law of the marine distribution. Law is a hukum.
No, it's a yeah.
You know.
Law in English.
Law of the
Hukum
sea.
in Indonesia.
Yes, law of the sea. Okay.
Yes.
The article explains that UNCLOS obliged coastal states to conserve living marine resources and to protect the marine environment.
Alright.
It also requires states to prevent overexploitation. Overexploitation.
Exploitation.
Yes, exploitation.
Oh.
And cooperate in
Yeah.
conservation efforts.
Oh.
So, although UNCLOS does not specifically regulate every detail of marine protected areas, it gives a broad legal foundation for coastal states like Indonesia to create conservation police in their waters. So, the UNCLOS not specially regulate every detail of marine protected, but it gives a broad legal foundation. Yep, like for coastal states like Indonesia to create conservation police in their waters. You know?
Yeah.
Yes. I know.
Next, right?
Dapat.
Brian.
We in the one we read about your article.
Yes.
Yes.
We
Naya was right because UNCLOS is important because of it establishes the principle that states are not free to exploit marine resource without limit.
Right.
Right. Because they have responsibilities. In the Indonesian context, the matters because Indonesia controls a very large maritime space.
Yeah, so we need in control human. Yes, like the control human activities.
To prevent the
Like I told you about overfishing. It's a criminal.
Criminal.
So we can. What about that? Human what? Human what?
Human control
Yeah.
activities.
So we have. We can. We should control human.
Love shall be
right.
fine.
Yes.
That's why there's UNCLOS.
Yeah.
The article highlights that under UNCLOS, Indonesia has a duty to preserve fragile ecosystem and protect biodiversity within its marine jurisdiction.
Great.
So we can say that Indonesia's MPA policies are not only domestic choice, but also
No,
second
that's
choice,
Second choice. Just kidding. Thanks.
but also part of its international legal commitment. So Clara, what do you think? I think Maya. Sorry.
Oh, you need my
Sorry.
yes?
You have a special name for.
No.
And
Damn, bro.
after the first, the second framework mentioned it in the Convention of Biological Diversity or CBD. This is very relevant. This is very relevant with what topic? Because of the CBD focus directly on biodiversity conservation and sustainable use. And then according to the article, the CBD encourages every country to create a conservation system, management rules, and national strategies to protect biodiversity. So for the part, we talk about a national, not for international. So a national in only for Indonesian.
Indonesia.
Yeah.
Yes.
In this sense, the CBD gives stronger justification for establishing protected areas, and including Mary's one, it also pass governments integrate conservation into structural areas, and which is very important when marine policies overlap with tourist, fisheries, and regional development. And after second, we have three. You can we can tell me what the three discuss about
And
the
the
framework.
Third discuss.
And the
About
frame-
what about?
No. What about you?
It's okay.
And the that framework is the code of conduct for responsible fisheries or CCR. And the in event talk it is considered soft law, meaning it's not legally legally
Sorry.
binding in the same way as treaty its style as major influence.
Not about lifestyle, fashion.
The article explains
Explain what?
that the CCR promotes responsible fishing, protects habitat protection,
Respond about the topic. Respond about the problem about framework in Indonesia.
What the problem?
What the problem is framework.
Oh, the framework. Oh, I'm sorry.
This is not here. We discuss.
Discuss. Okay.
precautionary approaches and the protection of mangroves.
Mangrove.
So the topic is about mangrove. Look, in we have
Actually, we here in mangrove what?
Mangrove forest mentality.
this about rhizophora.
Sao, you know sao?
Rhizophora. This harm for study. Harm for practice.
We have all many mangrove.
No, we talk about this saung. In saung is the house for study.
Yes.
But it's not only for study, but practice.
Yeah.
Practice in about eduwisata.
Like this.
Eduwisata. We can make hoti.
Hoti.
Yeah. So,
So
next
good.
about the topic. About the topic.
You can
about-
try. You can try hot tea.
You can try hoti.
Yes. So good.
Hot.
Back to the topic.
So fresh.
Okay, Kiki.
Coral reefs and fish breeding grounds. This framework is important
Because what? What
Because-
is important?
because it management it reminds us that protecting the sea is not
Of course.
Management
of
and
course.
budget is important.
Yeah, because
protecting the sea is not only about preserving nature but also about maintaining fish stock and food security for future generations.
So, what
Next,
Naya.
Me?
Naya, what do you
Next.
what do you think
next,
about the
let's
topic?
discuss. Let's
Okay.
discuss.
Topic. What?
Now, let's talk about the national legal framework in Indonesia.
So, no, before we talk about legal analysis, so legal fisheries, and so we talk about
Fisheries.
framework. We have three parts. Third part.
Third?
Yeah, third part.
Three
So
parts.
before we talk about third part.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So next what?
Next is national legal framework in Indonesia.
Also, this is national.
In Indonesia.
National in Indonesia. Indonesia.
national
only
in-
Indonesia.
Only in
Only.
Indonesia.
Yes, the article reviews several important laws. The first one, Act number 5 of 1990 on
Why is
conservation
that one?
of living resources and their ecosystem.
Ecosystem.
This is a law, you know law. This law provides
Indonesia.
yes, this is law provides a general legal basis
It is
for conservation areas in Indonesia, including national parks, nature parks, and reserve.
three. You have three.
Four.
Four. Yeah. Okay, four.
It applies ecosystem protection and biodiversity preservation. The article notes that this law applies to both terrestrial and marine conservation.
Yeah.
So, it is one of the early legal foundation for protected areas in general.
In general.
General.
In general.
Next,
Next, we will find is DAPA.
Brian
So,
Dapas.
DAPA.
what's the next of the law?
Number one.
Let's
Finish. It's okay, but we have time. We have many time.
It's mini time.
the next.
Then we have Act number 31 of 2020.
What? Sorry.
Act number 31 of 2004 and its amendment of law, and Act number 45 of 2009 on fisheries. This is where marine protected areas are explicitly connected to fisheries management.
Explicit in Indonesian jelas.
Yes.
Jelas in Indonesian explicit it's jelas. Next.
The article explains that these laws prohibit destructive practices such as using explosives,
Yeah.
chemicals, or other harmful methods that harmful for fish that threaten marine ecosystem. These laws view marine protected areas from the perspective of sustaining fish resource and preventing ecological damage caused by irresponsible fishing activities.
Yes.
So here conservation is directly tied to fisheries governance.
The final solution is we have two solutions in here.
What is that?
Yes. The final solution is to clarify and complete the transfer of
Yes.
management authorities over certain marine protected areas to the Ministry of Marine Affairs and Fisheries. The author believed that clear authority would improve coordination and reduce conflict between institutions.
Yeah.
Personally, I think this one of the most important recommendation because no matter how strong a legal text looks, right?
That's right.
Implementation depends on who is actually in charge. If authority remains divided, accountability also becomes divided. Before we conclude, I'd like to share my personal takeaway. For me, this article shows the environmental law is not only about creating protected areas, but about making those areas governable.
Growth.
Governable.
Yeah.
Indonesia has made meaningful progress, especially in reaching large scale conservation targets. However, the legal framework still needs refinements so that police ambition can be translated into real ecological protection.
Siapa?
Brian. Oh ya, dapat.
Baca dah.
So, my takeaway is that legal pluralism can be both a strength and a weakness.
Weakness.
Yeah.
We talk about weakness.
On one hand, Indonesia has many laws that support conservation from
Indonesian law of
a lot of laws that support conservation
What happened
from
with your phone?
no. Stop.
What happened? What happened? That's good.
So, in one hand, Indonesia has many laws that support conservation from different angles.
Yeah, okay.
Biodiversity, fisheries,
Biodiversity by
coastal management, and
So
marine
we
affairs.
have for response about that.
You
About that, Indonesian law in marine.
Indonesian law for yes. Next.
Four.
On the other hand, too many overlapping rules can create confusion.
Okay,
Right.
you have conclusion.
Confusion like
Oh,
focus.
sorry.
Too many
My ears so.
rules. So the challenge is not merely adding more law, but improving legal compliance.
Improve about the legal fisheries community.
Yeah,
Yeah.
not like make another one rule.
Oh yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
I see.
So next maybe. No.
Clear.
So, Maya.
Maya. I also think this article is relevant beyond Indonesia.
Why?
Because many countries create protect area to meet global target. Global is about not for Indonesia but
Yes.
for
Okay.
world.
International.
I see.
Yeah,
International.
But the real question is whether those area and explicitly manage. This area remain as the conservation success shall be measured not only by hectares but also by legal clarity,
Okay, bro.
institutional coordination, community inclusion, and enforcement quality. That makes the article both nationally specific and globally relevant. And the conclude, maybe you can tell me what the conclude about this article.
What do you conclude?
Before we talk about this article, so I think this is risky. Maybe have the conclusion
About this.
about the article. This is conclusion. Conclusion.
To consider the article present a balanced view, recognize Indonesian importex active
Okay, tell me.
in marine conservation, but it also goes to legal and institutional reform is still necessary if Indonesian
The phone-
can realize firmet goals
I think.
are months.
Wait.
The phone is recorded.
Okay.
Still recording.
It's not.
Armats planning rules strength sense and result overlapping authority dance in marine protection areas can become more text
Okay.
milestones
Become the
the
filter.
Yeah.
become true effective instrument for biodiversity protection and sustainable marine governance.
Governance.
Finance.
Anjay.
So,
Saya.
Okay.
for
One. We have done. So thank you for everyone.
thank you for watching.
Yes. For the discussion.
Discussion
Thank
about
you.
what?
Yep. About what?
Discussion about legal analysis of
Yes.
coin in Indonesia.
Yes.
So this discussion not only for Indonesian,
Yep.
but for world, maybe for world.
Everyone
For everyone.
Worldwide.
in We hope this conservation and conversation help explain the article clearly and shows why legal structure is so important in marine conservation. Yeah, thank you so
Thank you,
much.
guys.
Thank you so much.
Sorry.